Chocolate is made from the fruit of cacao trees, which are native to Central and South America. The ancient Maya and Aztecs were the first to use cacao beans to make a bitter drink called chocolatl, which they believed was a gift from the gods. They also used cacao beans as currency and for ceremonies. In the 16th century, Spanish explorers brought cacao back to Europe, where it was sweetened with sugar and other spices. This new version of chocolate soon became popular throughout the continent. Today, chocolate is enjoyed all over the world in many different forms, from bars and candy to drinks and desserts. It is also used as an ingredient in many other foods, like ice cream and baked goods. Whether you enjoy it as a treat or use it for baking, chocolate remains one of the most popular flavors in the world. Chocolate was introduced to Europe by the Spanish conquistadors, who brought cacao beans back from their expeditions in the New World. They added sugar and spices to the drink and kept it a secret for a long time. Chocolate became popular among the nobility and the clergy, who enjoyed its exotic taste and stimulating effects. By the late 1700s, chocolate was being mass-produced in Europe and exported to other parts of the world. In 1819, a Dutch chemist named Coenraad van Houten invented a press to separate cocoa butter from the beans, which made it easier to produce chocolate. This invention opened the door for mass production of chocolate and its incorporation into many different products. It was not until the 18th and 19th centuries that chocolate became more widely available and affordable, thanks to the invention of machines that could process cacao beans faster and cheaper. Chocolate also started to be consumed in solid form, as bars and candies, instead of just as a drink. Chocolate makers experimented with different flavors and ingredients, creating the variety of chocolate products we know and love today. Chocolate is now one of the most popular foods in the world, with millions of tons produced and consumed every year. It is enjoyed by people of all ages and cultures, for its delicious taste, health benefits, and mood-enhancing properties. Chocolate is also associated with romance, celebration, and comfort. Dark chocolate has many health benefits, especially if it has a high cocoa content, at least 70%. Here are some of them. Dark chocolate contains minerals like magnesium, iron and zinc, which are essential for various bodily functions. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, which can protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Antioxidants may also help prevent aging and chronic diseases. Dark chocolate has flavanols, a type of antioxidant that can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Flavanols may also improve brain function and insulin sensitivity. However, dark chocolate also has some drawbacks, such as high calories, fat, and sugar. Therefore, it should be consumed in moderation, as part of a balanced diet. A reasonable amount is about 1 ounce, 28 grams, per day. One of the most common myths about chocolate is that it can cause acne. However, this myth has been debunked by numerous studies. While some people may experience a temporary breakout after eating chocolate, it is not caused by the cocoa itself, but rather by other ingredients such as dairy or sugar. The best way to enjoy chocolate is to purchase high-quality, dark chocolate with a cocoa content of at least 70%. This will ensure you get all the health benefits without the added sugar and fat. The famous chocolate brands we know today began to emerge in the 19th century. The first mass-produced chocolate bar was invented by Joseph Fry in 1847, and the first chocolate Easter egg was created by Cadbury in 1875. Since then, the industry has grown exponentially, with a wide range of products now available from luxury chocolate brands to budget-friendly treats. No matter what your taste, there is likely a chocolate for you. Enjoy it in moderation and reap the benefits of this delicious treat. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the content and found it interesting and informative, we would be thrilled if you subscribed to our channel. Don't forget to show your support by liking the video as well. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to share your favorite chocolate in the comments below. Thanks for watching.